Hey there, future millionaires. Did you know AI is no longer just for tech geniuses? It's a tool you can use to make money starting today. Let's dive into 3 simple AI-powered money-making ideas you can try right now. Let's go. First up, selling digital art. Use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create stunning images and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. From custom prints to designs for t-shirts, the possibilities are endless and you don't even need to be an artist.
Next, become a content creator for hire. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write blogs, scripts, and social media posts faster than ever. Offer these services on Fiverr or Upwork, and watch the gigs roll in. And finally, start a voiceover side hustle. AI voice tools like 11 Labs let you clone or enhance voices. Pair this with freelance sites to land audiobook narrations, explainer videos, or even podcast gigs.
AI is revolutionizing how we work and earn money. All you need is an idea and the will to start. So, which of these are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips. See you next time. Subscribe for more.